eBay doesn't reward loyalty anymore. It rewards whoever bids the highest. So what if eBay no longer rewards loyalty and rewards whoever spends the most money, the most wonga? Because if that's happening, it's no longer about service, it's about budget. Over the last few years, eBay's fastest growing revenue stream hasn't been from its listing fees, it's advertising. Now that's an interesting change, isn't it? Promoted listings, both standard and the advanced type, now generate billions. Yeah, I did say that, billions in revenue. That means that eBay earns more when sellers like me, like you, promote. And if the platform earns more from ads, visibility becomes tied to spend. So, have you noticed your organic reach, i.e., if you don't spend to advertise, is dropping unless you do that spend? Because if that's true, then something fundamental has shifted with eBay. But here's where it gets uncomfortable. When a platform makes more money from ad spend than seller loyalty, its incentives, so eBay's incentives have fundamentally changed. Big sellers can outspend smaller ones. They can run higher ad rates. They can do 10%, 12%, not 3% or 0%. They can absorb things a lot easier than a small seller. They can get thinner margins and they can treat fundamentally ads as a customer acquisition. I'm going to use this ad to buy that customer. As a part-time seller, I just can't keep increasing and spend forever. I don't know. Be honest, are you spending more on promoted listings now just to maintain the same visibility as you used to have before? Pop your comments below. Because if maintaining your position requires increasing budget, that's not growth, that's defense. And don't get me wrong, this doesn't just affect small sellers. It affects pricing, it affects competition, and it affects buyers. Because if ad spend drives visibility, then costs eventually get backed into prices. They get stuffed into the price that you're gonna charge the buyer. So if prices rise, the buyer ultimately pays. So think about it. If ads are becoming mandatory now, who really does benefit long term? Is eBay still a marketplace? Or is it becoming an advertising platform with listings attached? Because if pay to win is the model now, loyalty doesn't mean what it used to.